Okay, so hopefully you took a minute to try these two u-tries. But if you notice, this time we have three functions. We have f of x, we have g of x, and let me choose a different color real quick so that way we all have different colors. And then we have h of x. Okay, so we have all of these different ones. So let's look at number one. Number one has f of x. So let's do parentheses. F of x in this case is 3x minus 4. And then we are subtracting g of x, which in this case is negative 4x plus 5. So remember, everything goes in parentheses. That way now we can start using our ones and distributing. So I have 1 times 3x, there's 3x. 1 times negative 4, that's negative 4. This one has a negative 1 in front, so a negative 1 times negative 4x squared, that's positive 4x. Negative 1 times 5, that's negative 5. And now I can combine like terms. So 3x combines with 4x, giving us 7x. Negative 4 minus 5 gives me negative 9. And again, this one needs a name. So I can pick a letter. Let's do J of x. Just needs a name because this is a new equation based off of doing f of x minus g of x. Now for the second one. If I look at the second one, I have an h of x, which h of x is 6x minus 1. And this is getting added to g of x, which I know is negative 4x plus 5. Just like before, I have my imaginary ones start distributing. 1 times 6x is 6x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Again, I have another imaginary one on my second parenthesis. 1 times negative 4x is negative 4x. 1 times 5 is positive 5. Now I can combine like terms. 6x minus 4x gives me 2x. Negative 1 plus 5 is positive 4. And then we give this one a name. Let's name this one, let's do c of x. There we go. So those are your u-tries for your function notation. Now the next part of this lesson is asking ourselves what actually is a function. So let's go ahead and let's go through this next part.